Helo pawb, we're going to continue with the topic cyflogaeth, meaning employment, this lesson, and today's focus, as you can see from the lesson objective, is to learn some employment related vocabulary and to also understand some job adverts. Okay, so first of all we're going to learn some new vocabulary based on cyflogaeth. So the first one is oriau gwaith. Oriau gwaith, what do you think oriau gwaith might mean? Okay, you do know the word gwaith, you write this on a daily basis in your exercise books when you're in school, and you might not know the word oriau. I'll give you a clue. Okay, oriau ydy hours. So oriau gwaith ydy working hours. Okay, yr un nesaf ydy cyflog. Cyflog. I'll give you a clue. Da iawn. Cyflog ydy wages or salary. Okay, yr un nesaf ydy lleoliad. You might know this word, or a part of this word. The first three letters is a word in Welsh, lle. You might recognise that word. It's a little bit like ble. So ble ydy where. So lleoliad is the place that you might work, or the location. Nesaf ydy rhif ffôn. Okay, I wonder if any of you know your rhif ffôn. You're on them often enough. But do you actually know your own rhif ffôn, your phone number? Okay, rheolwr. Rheolwr was one of the words that was in yesterday's lesson, or lesson 1, with all the different types of jobs. And there was a character from a film next to that picture, next to that word. I don't know if you remember this one. There's the character. So rheolwr ydy manager or boss. Okay, nesaf ydy e-bost. I think that might be quite obvious. E-bost or e-bost ydy email. Cyfeiriad ydy'r un nesaf. Cyfeiriad. So you might not remember this one from all the way a long time ago in year 8 when you did this, when you studied ardal area. Cyfeiriad. Don't know if this little picture gives you a clue. Cyfeiriad ydy address. Sgiliau, very similar to the Saesneg. Sgiliau, it's skills. What skills do you have for a particular job? Okay, now let's see if you can remember what these words were in Saesneg. So first one, cyflog. Cyflog was salary. Da iawn. Way to remember that is salary is the money that you get. Money is made from paper, which comes from trees. Trees are cut into logs. It's got the word log in that word, hasn't it? So it might just trigger your memory if you think about that. E-bost. Yeah, I think you know that one. Email. Oriau gwaith. Working hours. Lleoliad. Lleoliad. Remember the first 3 letters? Lle or ble. It's location. Da iawn. Nesaf ydy rhif ffôn. Phone number. Rheolwr. Beth ydy rheolwr? It was that character from the film. So it was a boss or a manager. Cyfeiriad. Address. Sgiliau. Skills. Da iawn. And now let's see if you know them yn Gymraeg. So what was this one? Working hours. Can you remember that one? Shout it out at the screen, make your family members wonder what on earth you're doing if you really want to. So working hours was oriau gwaith. Nesaf, wages. Do you remember that word? Money is made from paper, which comes from trees, which is cut up into logs. So cyflog, cyflog. Remember this one? Location. Lleoliad ydy location, lleoliad. Phone number? Rhif ffôn. Da iawn if you knew that one. Boss. Beth ydy boss yn Gymraeg? Or manager? Rheolwr. Rheolwr. Email? E-bost. Da iawn. And address? Do you remember this word? Bit tricky this one maybe. Cyfeiriad. Cyfeiriad. Skills? That's quite an easy one. Sgiliau. Da iawn. Right, now look at the pictures and tell me well, tell yourselves because I can't hear you. Which one is missing? Be sydd ar goll? Which one is missing? Do you know? Which one isn't there anymore? It was cyflog, da iawn. Okay, nesaf, be sydd ar goll? Which one's missing? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rhif ffôn. Okay, nesaf. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was cyfeiriad. Nesaf. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lleoliad. Da iawn if you got that one. Ac yr un nesaf. Pas un sydd ar goll. Which one's missing? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was sgiliau. Nesaf. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rheolwr. Da iawn. Right, now, can you tell which of those pictures this little piece of well, a part of the picture comes from? I've zoomed in and taken a small chunk of the picture out. Can you tell which one that one's from? It was oriau gwaith. Da iawn, if you got that one. Okay, next one, which part of the picture is this? Beth ydi'r llun? This one was lleoliad. Da iawn, if you got that one. Nesaf, can you work out which picture this was? It was airborst. Okay, nesaf. This one's a bit more tricky, I think. Can you work that one out? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was sgiliau. Okay, da iawn. Now I would like you to have a go at learning that new vocabulary. It's all very well going over it once, you know, but you won't remember it. We need to get those words into your brain so that you remember them. And if it comes up in the exam or whatever it is that you're going to be doing, then you need to recognise these words. So spend some time now learning those words. You could do some magic learning cards. I personally think that's the best way to learn new vocabulary. Get some small pieces of paper. You can write the Cymraeg on one side, Saesneg on the other, and keep testing yourself. So get the Welsh facing up first and see if you know what they are into English. Once you're confident, you've mixed them up and you know them all into English, turn them over and see if you know what they are in Gymraeg. You could even get somebody in the house to help you hold up one of the cards and you can tell them what the translation is on the other side. Okay, so pawb look, once you've done that, there is a little worksheet attached that you can go through and complete the tasks on there for me. Okay, so diolch yn fawr.